y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all know my last video I did some little chicken chili, and I am going to stick with that theme by making some soup today. Tis the season.
Yeah.
January, cold
Comfort
weather.
food, man.
Comfort food at its finest, that's right. And nothing makes us happier than a bowl of soup or whatever when it's cold outside. So one of my favorite recipes, I love stuffed peppers. And this soup is kind of a play on that of stuffed peppers. So we're going to be making some stuffed pepper soup. And we got all the good stuff that would go into it. I've already made my rice. Now, you can do this one or two ways. You can go ahead and make your rice, and I just made it in my little rice cooker with some chicken broth for some flavor, or you can just cook it in the pot and just let it simmer a little longer. But it doesn't take no time in the little rice cooker. So honey, I just let that little rice cook away. We'll just add that cooked rice so that we'll get a rush on supper. So I'm going to start with the hamburger, scrambling it up. So come with me while we make this stuffed pepper soup. All right, got my big old pot here, my little soup pot getting hot here. And I've got about 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat here. And we are going to start breaking that up. And I'm going to season it with just a little salt and pepper for right now. After I get it broke up. Let's see. Got me some pepper. Got me some salt. I don't want to add too much because I'm going to be using some broth. And you don't have to do both, but this little recipe did call for both chicken broth and beef broth. So I'm just going to do it just like so. And but I'm sure that if you don't have one or the other, it'll be fine. Probably beef would be my probably be my preference. But supposedly the chicken and the beef together works very well together. So I got my hamburger here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and start my veggies. Now, I have got 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 whole green bell pepper. Look at the difference of the size. That little red bell pepper, honey, that's about the biggest one I could get right there. And then we got all that green going on. So we're going to just dump all this in. I know that's a lot of veggies, but, you know, stuffed peppers, you gotta have all that pepper.
Yeah, it has all them veggies. Yeah.
We're gonna just give this a little stir.
And I like stuffed veggies. I like stuffed peppers.
Me too.
That's one of my favorite veggies, to be honest.
I love peppers any kind of way.
I do too, but I'm a fan of the stuffed peppers.
Now, I'm going to start with my little seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and season it up right now. We're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah.
I'm going to do maybe about 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm just measuring with my heart, y'all. We are going to do, I've got some oregano. We're going to do a teaspoon of that. And I know it's going all over everywhere, but we'll guesstimate, right?
Yeah.
Got some parsley. 1 teaspoon of parsley. You can't really overdo it on any of those. Then we've got some basil. Some dried basil. Teaspoon of that. Some good flavorings going on. Now, I'm going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a teaspoon of onion powder. And I know I'm going to put some garlic in here and some onions, but y'all know the powders give it just a little bit different flavor, and I like all them flavors. I like them all to come together. All right, let's give it a little mixy mix. Smelling good, smelling good. We need some smell-o-vision.
Yeah.
Now I do have some garlic. I'm just gonna let these get a little tender. I'm gonna let this bring up this hamburger meat brown just a little bit before I put the garlic in, so that garlic can hit that hot pot and just be real fragrant in this dish. So I'm just going to, let me see, I need to add some hot sauce. This is Russell's favorite hot sauce, some Crystal. And I guess you just measure with your heart on that. I'd say about 2 tablespoons, the same as the Worcestershire sauce. And it calls for some brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm just eyeballing that. All right. I didn't use all of that. All right, we're just gonna let this hamburger meat get brown, and it won't take long, and them little vegetables starting to get tender and getting right. So when this hamburger meat browns, I will then add the garlic and the rest of the stuff, and y'all can see this is not taking long at all. This is something easy. You can cook your rice ahead of time, honey, so you can do this quick. You could even put this in a crock pot. But anyway, I am going to just let this brown up, and I will be right back. All right, my hamburger meat is brown. I have drained some of this fat off. It really wasn't real fatty. I had a lean meat. Now I'm gonna add, let's see, I'm just gonna use the rest of this, about a tablespoon of garlic. We just go move that around, let it get nice and fragrant in there.
I can't tell y'all how good that smells.
Yummy.
Yes, yummy.
Just for about a minute, you just wanna move it around a little bit before we add the rest of our little goodies. Man, it smells good. All right, now we are going in with some, I have the fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chili. I have the Rotel. You can get whatever brand you want, but that's the one we're gonna go with. And it's a little spicy too, so I'm gonna have a little heat from that, so that's why we didn't put a whole lot of that hot sauce in here. All right, I have a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. That's going in there. I'm gonna get all of that. I'm gonna give that a little stir. Now we have got 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm just going to use that broth to clean my little can right here. 2 cups of chicken broth. Almost perfect. Now I've got 3 cups of beef broth. In she goes. Now this is going to simmer for about 25-30 minutes. And you can either put your rice in it, or you can just spoon this over your rice, whichever way you want to do it. Or at this point, you can put your rice in and cook it. So, lots of options. Yes, yeah. Lots of options. And I have mine ready here. I think I might just let it simmer for a bit, and it'll thicken up just a little bit, and then we'll add that rice. And we'll be back to show you what it looks like. All right, y'all, she has been simmering now for about 15 minutes. And this is what it's looking like. Yummy, yummy.
I'm telling y'all, that smells.
It's good.
Ooh.
I done tasted it, because y'all know I tell you all the time, taste
your food, y'all. Taste your food.
Make sure it's got enough salt. I added a little more salt to it. And now we're just going to be adding our little rice. And it's going to be almost ready. So I have got about 2.5 cups of just cooked rice here. We're just going to dump that in, right on in there. And just give this a little stir. Like I said, I already cooked it, so didn't have to worry about that rice having to cook in there. But I could have very easily cooked the rice in that broth there. And it's going to be so good. Either way, it'll be good. So, I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to just top it with some cheese and we're going to be ready to eat, Russell.
I'm ready.
All right. All right, y'all are unstuffed.
Unstuffed peppers.
Pepper
Unstuffed
soup.
pepper soup. Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like unstuffed instead of stuffed. But it is ready. We just threw a little cheese on top. Don't need nothing else, I don't think.
I tell you
But
what.
you tell me.
It smelled delicious.
It does.
I was over here, my mouth was watering while she was dipping this thing in the bowl and all that. I was like, ooh.
It's really hot. Be careful. I done got myself. My tongue was sizzling.
She got the hands of stone. I got the
Gullet.
gullet of steel.
I guess we make a pretty good team.
Yeah,
then.
yeah. It's fantastic. I mean, it
All the
tastes
flavors.
just like a stuffed pepper. It really does. The peppers really come through in it too.
Yeah,
you
it
can
does.
really taste the peppers. Yeah, it's really good. Look at that cheese.
Look at
that cheese.
there.
Look at that.
Cheese pull, honey.
Ooh, man.
I love anything with some cheese on it.
I mean, that is about as good as it gets right there.
And,
Lovely.
it really didn't take long either, y'all. Like I said, I cooked my rice earlier.
Man.
And didn't take long. This is a real quick, easy weekday supper kind of situation.
I'm telling you what.
Mm-hmm.
You 2 for 2 in 2026.
Oh, let me go.
She's
Touch
off to-
me.
She's setting a high bar, y'all. Hey.
Next one probably flop. No,
Hey, well,
let's not say that.
I keep it real. I'm just saying.
Yes.
She's 2 for 2. These two right here, these bowls is good, y'all.
Some
Hey,
good old soup, good old chili.
that's another hug for your belly right there.
Oh, comfort food.
Y'all know we've been having some warm, atypical weather here for us. So if you're up north and it's really cold, this is for you. This is perfect for you.
And if you're up north and it's really cold, just keep it up.
Yeah,
there,
well,
'cause we
yeah,
don't
that too.
want it.
Keep that.
We really don't want
No, we
it.
don't.
We are summer kind of people. We love it. And we really don't have harsh winters. Lord, it drops below 40 and we just about to die. It's so cold.
Yeah, we ain't built like that.
No, we are not. Us in South Carolina, no.
We're not made for that. Nope.
No, we're not. But this is a good one, y'all. And it would pair
It really
well with
is.
anything. Some cornbread, some toasted garlic bread, just about anything. But it really didn't need anything.
No, it really don't.
It really
with the
does
rice in
not.
it stands on its own.
One pot little deal
Yes,
there.
and it tastes just like stuffed peppers.
it
I'm
does.
telling you, deconstructed, however the fancy word,
Unstuffed.
whatever you want to call it, it is fantastic. If you love stuffed peppers, get in here and get you some of this. It's a whole pot full of
All them flavors.
Yes,
can put
all
on
them
there.
flavors in a pot. You can't beat it. You really can't beat it.
And it takes longer to bake your peppers too. It takes
Yeah,
longer
and
than
then
to
you
make
got to stuff
this.
them and haul
Yep.
them all out and do all that work, man. Hey,
Yes, honey, you can just do this one pot.
yeah.
One pot and done. And I'm sure that if you wanted to keep the rice out and just pour it over the rice or whatever, it stores well. All the things.
Yes.
So anyway, y'all, I hope you tried. I hope you love it. If you do, let me know if y'all have some little good soup recipes that
Yeah,
y'all
share.
tried and true, honey.
Yeah.
Send them on in. Now he's got pressure on me. He said I was 2 for 2.
Hey, she's got to keep it going now, y'all.
yeah.
Got to be perfect in 2026.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Me and perfect don't go together real well.
Nobody's perfect.
No, but I can booger something up. But anyway.
She does pretty good, y'all.
Anyway. Thank y'all so much for watching.
Absolutely. We
and,
appreciate each and every one of you.
stopping by, loving on us, every comment, every hype, every like,
Yeah,
every
we appreciate
share.
those hypes. That helps us out
Yes.
tremendously. We really do.
And I didn't know anything about the hype until Miss Karen brought it to our attention that yep, this is the deal. So I was like, oh my, look at this. But every like, every share, every person that subscribes, honey, we do appreciate it.
We appreciate each and every one of you.
Yep. And until next time.